Hey there, ready for a deep dive into the future of travel?
Hmm.
Today we're going to be talking about AI and how it's going to completely change the travel industry.
Yeah, it's going to be huge.
Right. We're talking personalized trips,
Yes.
seamless booking experiences,
Definitely.
and maybe even robot bellhops.
Okay, maybe not that last one yet, but hey,
Right.
with AI, anything is possible.
Exactly.
It's true, the travel industry is like right on the edge of this massive transformation,
Good.
and AI is like the engine driving it all.
Yeah. And
Well,
speaking of AI, you've given us some really interesting stuff to dig into,
yeah.
specifically about this domain name, AI.viajes,
Mm-hmm.
that some people are saying could be the key to unlocking this whole AI-powered future of travel.
It's a big deal.
Yeah, so for someone like me who wants to stay ahead of the game in travel tech,
Right.
this deep dive is
Yeah,
super important.
for sure.
So what makes this domain name AI.viajes so special in all of this?
Well, in the digital world, a company's online presence is everything. It's your storefront, it's your first impression, it's how people see you.
Yeah, it's your brand.
And a domain name like AI.viajes, it's more than just an address.
Okay,
It's a statement.
I like that.
It's like saying, we get it. We're not just booking flights and hotels here.
Oh.
We're using the latest technology to craft your dream vacation.
So it's like saying, hey, we're the future of travel.
Exactly. And that resonates with investors who are looking for innovation, and it resonates with travelers, especially those tech-savvy ones who are always looking for the next best thing.
So you're hitting on something really important there.
Yeah.
This idea of personalized experiences. There's this article you gave us.
Yes.
Descubre el futuro de los viajes con inteligencia artificial.
Right.
And it talks about how AI viajes can actually make those experiences even better.
Absolutely.
They even use this phrase, marketplace de turismo inteligente.
I love that phrase.
Right.
It's perfect.
So what does that even mean? What's the vision?
Okay, so picture this. You need to book a trip, right?
Always.
Instead of going to like a million different websites and apps.
Okay, no, right.
You have this one platform
Okay.
powered by AI that curates recommendations just for you based on like your budget, your travel style, your interests.
Okay, so it's like having a personal travel agent.
Exactly, but way more efficient and way more personalized.
I can get behind that.
And here's the best part. Imagine AI could predict and fix travel problems before they even happen.
Wait, what? Like how?
Like flight delays, for example.
Ugh, the worst.
AI can analyze tons of data, weather patterns, airline schedules, even historical data to predict disruptions like that with crazy accuracy.
No way.
Yeah, and then before you even realize there's a problem, AI has already rebooked you on a better flight, updated your hotel, and adjusted your itinerary.
That would be amazing.
Right. Stress-free travel.
Sign me up.
It's the future.
So it sounds like AI.viajes isn't just about sounding cool and techy. It's about actually making travel better for everyone.
100%. That's where the real value is, using AI to solve real-world travel problems. And AI Viajes is like the perfect example of how to do that. It's about taking something that can be really frustrating and making it actually enjoyable.
Right, because like you said, travel should be fun.
Exactly. It shouldn't be this big stressful thing.
And this article even uses that phrase, marketplace de turismo inteligente. So they're going beyond just making travel better. They want to change the whole industry.
Yeah, it's about creating this ecosystem, this central hub for all things travel, powered by AI.
So instead of having to jump between different websites and apps for flights, hotels, activities,
Right, all that craziness.
it would all be in one place.
Exactly. One streamlined experience.
Ah.
And it just makes sense, right? Think about all the other areas of our lives where we expect that kind of convenience.
It's true, like online shopping or banking.
Exactly. We want things to be easy. We want things to be personalized. And that's what AI can do for travel.
Speaking of personalized, what really gets me excited about this whole AI viajes thing is the potential for truly personalized travel experiences. What if instead of scrolling through endless generic vacation packages,
Right, those are the worst.
you had this AI travel agent that knew exactly what you wanted even better than you did?
It's like having your own personal travel concierge, but like a super powered one.
Right. Imagine telling AI, hey, I'm a foodie. I want to go somewhere with amazing street food and cooking classes. And boom, it spits out this incredible itinerary tailored just to me.
Exactly. Or maybe you're a history buff or adventure seeker. Whatever you're into, AI can tap into that and create a trip that's perfectly you.
Okay, now that is what I'm talking about. That's the dream right there. But let's circle back to AI.viajes specifically. Because this article also talks about the importance of brand protection.
Yeah, that's crucial.
They even suggest like buying up different variations of the domain name, like AI.viajes. Why is that so important?
Okay, so imagine this. You've poured your heart and soul into building this amazing AI-powered travel platform under the AI.viajes brand.
Okay.
You've got the best technology, the best reputation. Everyone loves you.
You're killing it.
Yeah. But then some competitor comes along
Oh.
and they register a super similar domain name like aitravel.viajes or
Oh, I
besttravelai.viajes.
see what you're saying. So
Yeah,
now people are confused.
exactly. Are they on your site or your competitor's site? Who knows?
And that could really hurt your business.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It creates confusion, it can damage your brand, and ultimately, you could lose customers.
So by getting those other domain variations early on, you're basically like protecting your brand.
Right. It's like staking your claim in the digital world, saying, this is our territory, this is what we stand for.
So it's less about like eliminating competition and more about making sure things are clear for customers.
Exactly. It's about building trust and ensuring that when people see AI.viajes, they know exactly who they're dealing with.
It's about having a strong brand identity in the digital space.
Precisely. And in a world where first impressions are everything that's invaluable.
It makes sense. You want to stand out and you want to be memorable,
Yeah.
especially in a market like travel tech where new companies are popping up all the time.
It's a crowded space, for sure.
Yeah, so having that strong online presence really gives you an advantage.
No doubt. And it all starts with a great domain name.
It's like the foundation for everything else.
100%.
This whole conversation has really got me thinking about the power of a name.
Mhm.
You know, it's not just a website address. It's like a statement about who you are and what you believe in. So as we kind of like wrap things up here, what's the biggest takeaway? What do you really want our listeners to walk away with today?
You know, it's about vision. It's about looking ahead, owning AI.viajes. It's almost like you're planting a flag in the future of travel.
I like that analogy.
It's a statement. It says, we get it, AI is going to change everything, and we want to be at the forefront of that change.
And for anyone listening who might be thinking, okay, sure, that all sounds impressive, but does a domain name really matter that much? What would you say to them?
A domain name. Yeah, it's not just any domain name. It's AI.viajes. It's memorable, it's relevant, it tells people instantly what you're about. And in the digital world, that's gold.
It's like you said earlier, first impressions are everything.
Exactly. You want to stand out. You want people to remember you.
Yeah.
And having a strong domain name like AI.viajes, that's a huge part of that.
It's like prime real estate, but in the digital world.
100%. It's all about location, location, location.
Right.
You want to be where the action is. And with AI about to revolutionize the travel industry, AI.viajes puts you right at the center of it all.
Front row seats to the future of travel.
I like it. That's a good way to put it.
Well, it's been awesome chatting with you today. You've given us a lot to think about.
It's been my pleasure, and hopefully we've inspired some of our listeners to see the possibilities here.
Absolutely. AI and travel, a match made in tech heaven. Who knows what incredible innovations we'll see in the coming years.
The future is bright.
It is, and we can't wait to see what it holds. That's it for this deep dive into the world of AI and travel. Until next time, happy travels, everyone.
Happy travels.